So hey guys, what's up? It's Anany back again with one more video, and I know I'm uploading this video after so much time, but okay, yeah, I'm uploading. So in this video I'm going to unbox the Samsung's new Galaxy F41 mobile phone, and also I'm going to give you an overview and also tell you the specs of this phone. So yeah, let us start this video without any delay. Alright friends, so this is the box of our Samsung F41 mobile phone. Here is the branding of Samsung. Here it is written the F41. Let us see some of the highlights of this phone. So this phone is in Fusion Black color. RAM is 6GB and ROM is 64GB. And then here you can see here are some more highlights that the camera here you will get is the 64 megapixel triple camera. The battery backup is really amazing, as it is of 6000 mAh, and the display is Super AMOLED display. Alright, so now let us unbox the phone. Here I have my cutter. So here we will break the seals. Alright, then that was so satisfying. So first here we will see. So here we will get one package. Okay, so let us see what you will get here. Here is one SIM ejector pin, and okay, let us open this, and here you can just hold some paperwork, quick start guide, regional log guide, and warranty card and all. So we'll keep it aside. Alright, so here is our phone in this beautiful Fusion Black color. So let us keep phone aside for a minute, and we will see to the box contents. Here you will see the this is 15 watt fast charger by Samsung, and then here there is one charging cable which is USB to USB-C. Okay, so now let us see our phone. So main thing is that this is manufactured in India, which is an amazing thing. Then let us do this. This is literally very satisfying. Oh, am I opening it wrong? Oh, it will be from here. That was literally very satisfying. So this is a phone. Here you can see our triple camera. Here is the fingerprint sensor, volume rockers, power button. Then here are the speaker grills, USB-C port, and yes, Samsung have included the headphone jack too. And then here is the SIM slot, and here you will get one microphone. Alright friends, so let us do its first boot. Alright, so here you can see it is written Samsung Galaxy F41 powered by Android. By the way, if I talk about its weight, it is literally very light, and I think that is an key point of this phone. Alright, starting Android. And here we have got our screen. If I talk about its display, it is really very immersive. I'm liking its display. Okay, here you will get all the Google apps, weather info. Okay, first you have to connect to the internet. Here are all the apps, Microsoft apps. Alright friends, so let us do a quick speaker test of this phone. So I'll just go to the videos. Let's just play Anany. Maybe. Okay, now it is on full. Volume is on full. Alright friends, so as me and you all heard, the speaker of this phone is really good. Like if you are watching the video, then you will not get the real quality of the speaker. But yeah, when you will test this phone out, I think speakers are pretty good. So yes. So friends, this was an unboxing and a review of the Samsung Galaxy f41. I hope you liked this video, share this video and send your thoughts in the comments box. And yeah, till the next video, bye bye.